Hi, my name's Lisa Counts, owner of the Chopping Block, and today I'm going to teach you how to bake bacon. Over here we have our parchment-lined sheet tray. We're going to lay out our slices of bacon nice and flat. I like to use a parchment-lined sheet tray in order to prevent the bacon from sticking to the metal. This will help render the bacon nice and evenly and ensure that our bacon will get crisp and stay flat. We are going to bake this in a 375-degree oven for roughly 15 to 20 minutes until your desired crispiness. Our bacon is now out of the oven. It was in there for 15 minutes. It is golden brown and flat and crispy. So now we're going to go ahead and tray this up. If there was any excess bacon fat on the sheet tray, you can always lay your bacon out on paper towels in order to dampen that off. And that's how you bake bacon.